is watching someone. Taurus, either this is you keeping a close eye on someone, or it could be the person who messed up. They're watching you. Tell me more. Because basically they feel like they're not going to be able to have a new start with you. Somebody's afraid that things aren't going to improve, but you see there's 2 3s. There was some type of third party situation going on here. And I feel like somebody's trying to get out of it, yeah. But see, in order to give an offer, somebody wants to give someone the Ace of Cups here. And they're wanting to rush in to do it fast. See what I'm saying? Somebody made a wrong decision. They moved into... Well, how can I get this out, Lord? Sorry, y'all. So, somebody went into another direction, and it was the wrong direction. So now, there's some type of, like, battle going on, and that's why this person is afraid about their financial stability. Because maybe they're going to have to pay someone. Let's see. The moon. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces. Clarify the moon. Queen of Cups, yeah. Somebody had a lot of secrets. Somebody was hiding something here. But I feel like if you were dealing with someone and they weren't being honest with you, you didn't know what was going on, I feel like if you don't know the truth, something is getting ready to be revealed. And whatever it is, I feel like it's going to hurt you. You know, it's like they already hurt you before in the past, but now it's going to be like, are you serious? You know, that type of energy. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. What's this? Back and forth about the devil. Somebody was in some type of toxic situation. And they're trying to get out of it. Could be with like a mother figure, child's mother. There's something going on here. Tell me more. Yeah. But I do feel like they want to have a commitment with you. But they're needing to quickly get out of a situation first. They're trying to figure this out. Yeah, see? They're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a family with you. But I am seeing that maybe this person moved into a direction where, you know, they have a family with someone else. Or that, you know, it's like they started something with someone else here. And now they're trying to get out of it to come towards you because they made a big mistake. But they're going to have to break up this family dynamic. Yeah, and now they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. Because, see, in the past, they were moving slow. This person, I feel like they were juggling. Now they don't want to move slow with you anymore. They want to move things forward. And I'm seeing that they do want to put in the hard work with you. But they are focusing on their finances right now. Yeah, because, see, they're feeling like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you, Taurus. Look at that. But they do want to move things forward with you. And I am saying that they are going to give you an offer, but they're coming in as a page. So it's not the full-blown offer that you deserve. But I feel like this is some type of offer for you guys to, you know, see if you can start over. So if it's you worrying about money, or if it's the other person, I feel like someone is going to be very content with their finance. I do feel like money is coming in. Remember I told y'all, I heard Nas's song, You Owe Me. So maybe this person owes you money, and I feel like if that's the case, you will be getting money, you know, regardless. There's something coming in. Yeah, because see, someone's not content with their finances right now. Let's see. The seeds that were planted, I feel like they're going to grow. Something is happening here. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I'm seeing that somebody's confident now. You know, somebody's healing from being betrayed, stabbed in the back. You could be dealing with someone that's younger than you, but I feel like this person is coming in to give you some type of offer here. Yeah. They're speaking their truth about what took place in the past or some type of family situation. But right now, they're having a hard time because they're trying to make a decision. Some of them could be waiting on some type of judgment. But either which way, it's like they're regretting something here. But this was their lesson. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Because right now, they're thinking, look at that. Taurus, you could be dealing with another Taurus. But I'm seeing, look at this. Somebody definitely wants to have a commitment with you. Somebody wants to move things forward. They're looking at marriage in the future because they do want to give you this secure offer. But at the same time, they don't know how exactly to go about doing it because they messed up. Yeah, they feel like they're not going to have this new beginning with you. But I'm seeing that they're going to take a leap to come towards you, and they're coming out of feeling frustrated that they lost you. Yeah, see what I'm saying? You're going to get this offer. This could be somebody's getting money. I keep feeling money. Yep, in order to balance things out. Somebody's trying to come back to right their wrongs. There's the sun because they want happiness. Clarify the sun. They want happiness with you. I'm telling you, somebody's coming out of being sad. Somebody's coming out of feeling like they took a financial loss. Whether there's like a child involved, somebody was in like some type of legal situation, contract, marriage, whatever it is. Somebody's coming out of this energy. Tell me more. But I'm seeing that 1 minute, it's like they're back and forth. They're trying to make a decision 1 minute. The next minute they do make a decision. Tell me more. Yeah, because they broke your heart. Yeah, there was a third party here. Somebody's heart feels broken. And they're feeling like you don't want to have a new opportunity with them. Because, yeah, the truth. There was some type of truth that came out. And so now they're trying to approach you. They're trying to come towards you being confident because they do want things to improve with you. But at the same time, they don't want you to cut them off. They know that they have to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, they didn't balance things out with you in the past. You know? And I'm seeing here somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But they know that you're moving on. With or without them. And this is why they're afraid that they may not be able to have a new opportunity with you because of the deception. Because I feel like they chose someone else over you. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. But somebody's making some type of change here. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But the way the Chariot came out, it's like they want to move forward with you, but they're worried that it may not happen. Tell me more. Yeah, there's something that they want to say. They're just not saying. Some of them, I'm telling you, there is some type of legal situation going on. Because that's why it's like they're not saying anything to you because they're trying to get out of this first, you know. It's some type of like document, contract. It's some type of paperwork going on. And I'm seeing that there are, with this right here next to the Knight of Wands reverse, this person is going to free themselves. They're getting out of whatever situation that they put themselves in with this third party. Because they do want to have peace with you. They don't want you to walk away from them. Because I'm seeing that they do want to have a victory with you, Taurus. Look at that. They do want things to improve between the two of you. And I'm seeing that they are listening to their intuition now. Ooh, but they're sad. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Clarify the Three of Cups, please. Like they're sad because there was a third party here. It's like they were juggling, so now they're coming out of being frustrated, but they're feeling like you're going to cut them off for good. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, and there's a Gemini here. They know they cause an imbalance between the two of you. But I'm seeing that they want to have a happy home with you. They want to have stability with you. But right now, they just don't have the strength to approach you just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody also could be dealing with an Aquarius. But I'm telling you, this person does want to balance things out. They know who they want. They're coming back to make it right. See, they're manifesting here. This person is trying to stay positive, but they know that they left you hanging. They left you out in the cold, you know, and it could have been something pertaining to money. So, like, you know, if you had a family with this person, if, you know, you guys had, you know, something combined, it's like they were just leaving you hanging, or maybe you felt left behind because they just ghosted you and went in another direction. But I'm feeling like this person wants to come back to make it right. Tell me more. Back and forth with the Nine of Swords. See, it's like 1 minute they're up at night, they're worried, they're in their head, they can't sleep. The next minute it's like the complete opposite, but there has been interference here. Again, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This could have been a love interest. This could have been like a family member here, their mom. But I'm seeing that they made a decision, but either they're trying to like get away from this individual, Or this is just telling me in the past they were being sneaky with this individual, regardless if it's family, friends, love interest, whoever. You know, and this is why there was deception. They're worried. Yeah, see, they're having a hard time right now. But there is communication that will be coming in. This person is going to be giving you some type of offer, Taurus. But they're frustrated because they are feeling stuck in some type of situation that they put themselves in. You know, and they're unsure what you're going to say. Alright, Taurus, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye, Taurus. Bye, Taurus.